Hello, everyone. Let me give you some ideas for the letter U. U is for utensils today in our learning. And here's a fun way to decorate the letter U. I just took a utensil, actually a plastic fork, and dipped it into paint and used that to paint the letter U. So that's one idea for decorating the letter. That helps with letter recognition. And then we played a fun music time. We did something fun. I played some lively music, and the kids got to use the utensils to play some music with me, like a little band. So let's do that together right now. If you want to grab 2 spoons and then come back, you can play along with me. Okay, so here we go. Up high. Down low. To the side. Other side. To the front. Okay, well, that was a lot of fun. So that was one idea. We also did, for kind of social studies, we learned how to set a table setting properly. So let's head over and do that right now. Okay, so we have a tablecloth set out and we have some utensils and other things. I'm going to tell you how to properly set a table. First of all, the napkin goes on this side. That's the left side. And then the fork goes on top of the napkin on the left side. The knife goes over here on the right side. And the spoon right beside it. And then the glass goes right up here by the knife. So that's how you properly set a table. Now, this is a table setting for dinner. There is also a salad fork and a dessert fork that we would add if we were having a fancy dinner, but this is just a basic place setting. Now, you can help mom or dad or grandma or grandpa set the table. Okay, I'm going to come back around and we'll wrap it up. For art today, we just cut out this table setting, and I'll put the link below so you can get a copy of it, and just glued it onto a piece of construction paper. We just practiced where everything goes. And so that was an easy project. We talked about utensils, including chopsticks. So forks and spoons, but also chopsticks are utensils, and maybe you can eat with chopsticks. It's kind of hard for me, but I bet you might be able to, a lot of you. Well, a great story today to read is called Beep Bim Bop. And the family in this story uses chopsticks for utensils. This is by Linda Sue Park, Beep Bim Bop. So, well, hope you have a great day today. Have some fun with the letter U, and I'll see you next time for letter V. V is for vacation. Penguins on vacation, to be exact. I'll see you then. Goodbye.